Hey guys, welcome to SVB Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm here before you with yet another get ready with me for this Diwali. This is very simple look with affordable products and minimum products which is easily available in India. So let's get started. First of all, I'm just priming my face with this Oriflame primer. I'm just taking a little bit of that primer and dotting it all over my face and just massaging it really well into my skin. For foundation, I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is the darkest shade, I guess. All the product information with the price would be listed in the description box, so please do check it out. And once it is done, I would be just blending the whole foundation with my Real Technique makeup sponge. With the flat surface of that sponge, I'm just dabbing to the foundation really well, dabbing to my face really well, so that the foundation is really blended and not patchy. So this is really important, guys. Please take time to blend the foundation so that it is like your skin only. And for the concealer, I would be using LA Pro concealer under to my eyes in a triangular form. Even to bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and forehead, so that it also acts as the highlighter, and also on my eyelids because I'm not going to use any primer for my eyelids. So for that matter, we have applied the concealer, and again as we did for the foundation, I'm just dabbing the makeup sponge with the pointed tip to my skin really well, so that the concealer is really blended to my skin. So once it is all done, we will be setting it with the L'Oreal Matte Magic compact powder. This is my favorite compact powder. So with a brush, I'm just dabbing this compact to my skin, so that it gives more coverage, and also the foundation and the concealer we have applied doesn't move from the place. For the blush, we would be using the blush from Blue Heaven, which is like really bright shade. So I'll be picking up little bit in the brush and placing it on my cheeks and blending it really well into my skin. For the highlighter, we would be using the highlighter from Sivana, and with the brush I would be applying it to the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, forehead and chin, and also to the brow bone. And I would be blending it with the same brush. Only for the cheekbones I would be blending with my fingers itself, because I feel that blends it really easily with the fingers. And for the contouring, I'm using the contour powder from the same palette, like Sivana one, and just applying it to the hollows of my cheek, forehead and jawline, and blending with the brush really well. And I'm using this Lakme Rose Powder, and with this sponge I'm just applying it under to my eyes and all other areas where I have applied the concealer. This helps to bake, and also that when we are using the eyeshadow, there will be like little bit of fallout, so this catches the fallout too. And then with the brown gel eyeliner from Music Flower, I would be applying it to the lash line, and also little bit to the outer corners of my eyes, only to the outer corners. This need not be neat, because we are going to blend this with the eyeshadow later on. So after that, I'm just placing scotch tape, so that I get a guideline to draw the eyeliner. Then from Blue Heaven Quad, I'm taking this mauve shade and just blending the gel eyeliner really well with this dome shape or like pencil brush really well. So one thing we should make sure that we should work really fast, because once the gel eyeliner is dried up, it would be really difficult to blend. So I didn't work up really fast, so it was really difficult for me to blend. Then I'm taking this coppery orangish goldenish shade, and with my fingers itself I'm just applying it all over my eyelids. And then I'm taking this yellowish goldenish shade, and with a brush I'm just applying it to my inner corners as a highlighter. Then with the same gel eyeliner, I would be lining my lash line very thinly, I mean like very close to my lashes. A wing liner I will be drawing. So take your time, make sure that it is really close to your lashes and draw a very thin liner. And I'm just taking off the scotch tape, and I'm just also applying the same gel eyeliner to my lower lash line, and just extending my wing a little bit. I'm not applying to the full of my lash line, just keeping it till the middle and taking the same mauve shade and just blending that really well. So this gives an illusion of bigger eyes, guys. If you are not waterlining our eyes and just to the lower lash line, we are till the middle. If we are drawing a line, it really makes our eyes look bigger. And for the eyebrows, I am using the same brown gel eyeliner and just drawing the eyebrows. I'm going very light-handed because it's like really dark brown, so I don't want very artificial looking eyebrows. So I'm done with my eyebrows now. I'm using this Hypercurl Volume Express mascara and just applying mascara to my lashes, both upper lashes and lower lashes really well. If you want, you can apply the false lashes too. So eye makeup and eyebrows are completely done, even our face makeup too. Then moving on to the lipstick, I'm like using this Gala of London liquid lipstick, which is like matte, which is to kind of orangish shade, which is not completely orange, it's a mix of red and orange shade. I really like this shade and it matches to my saree too. And it dries up to be a completely matte lipstick. Then I'm applying a bindi, and for my hair I'm just combing my hair, all of my hair to one side, and taking a little bit of hair from my front section and twisting it and securing it with a bobby pin. I mean, not just one bobby pin, you can use as many bobby pins as you want. And the other side of hair too, I'm just putting into one side and just securing it with the bobby pin. And just I'm making the hair like a pony, but not a pony. I just want my hair to be shorter so that I can make a messy bun with this. So with the rubber band I'm doing that, as you can see, and with a U-pin I'm just securing it really well so that it stays there for a very long time. And just I'm playing with my hair, just pulling the hair here and there a little bit. And our hairstyle is also pretty much done, and I'm like putting on my earrings and necklace and bracelet, and our makeup is completely done. Hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. If so, please do subscribe to this channel. And this is the sari I have worn. So see you very soon. Till then, it's bye.